Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to remove all liked songs from the Spotify. So first of all you have to just open your Spotify first and you will find here the home page of your Spotify. You have to just click on the your library option at the bottom, and then here you will find a lot of the different options. Here you have to just click on the liked songs, and here you will find all of the liked songs in your list, and you have to just click on the like option here and then click on the remove. You can see that your song has been removed from the liked songs list. So you have to just repeat this process for all the liked songs that you want to remove from your liked list. And the next method is that you have to just click on the three dots in front of the song and then click on the like. Doing so you can see that your song has been removed from the liked list. So you have to just repeat the same process for all of the liked songs that you want to remove from your like song list, and doing so the all of the like songs will be removed from your liked list. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information about Spotify you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.